Assembling your WE100. When you get the WE100 sharpener, it's going to come to you in 3 components. First one is going to be your blue base with the degree bar, your vise key, and your depth key. You also have your Vise Assembly. And then you have your guide rod assemblies. And they're going to consist of a thumb screw, an L bracket, a ball joint, and then the guide rod itself. So the first thing you're going to do is take the assembly that involves the blue base. You'll note that there's a channel here and a hole that doesn't have anything in it. So on the bottom of your vise assembly, there's also a hole. We're going to line those two up. You'll notice this vise fits neatly inside the channel. I'm going to flip the whole thing over. I'm going to take my 1032 socket cap screw into the hole in the bottom of the degree bar, match it up with the hole in the bottom of the vise. I'm going to snug it up with my hand. And then here you have your vise key. I'm going to pull that out, flip this back over, and use it to tighten that in so it's nice and snug. Our vise key back in there. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to mount our guide rod assemblies to the degree bar. So the front of the sharpener has this Wicked Edge logo, and it also has some detents in the front of the degree bar here. So we're going to take our guide rod assembly. You want to make sure that your thumb screws are screwed all the way out, because the guide rod is going to slide through this hole, and if this screw is sticking into it, you're going to have a difficult time getting it to fit. So loosen that up all the way. Then we're going to take the L bracket and this L shape that's here. We want that facing towards the vise jaw, so we're just going to slide that onto the degree bar, and then we'll tighten our thumb screw so it fits into one of those little D10s. We're all set. We're going to take the other assembly, make sure our thumb screw's all the way out. Again, we're making sure that this L shape here is facing towards the vise. I'm going to slide that on, and we'll slug that one down as well. And there's your WE100 sharpener assembled.